Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue where the Riot client won't open or launch. Up now there is no one solution that will work for everybody, so you need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. Now the very first step is go to the search bar and type task manager. Click on it and in the search bar type Riot and just hit enter. What we are going to do is just need to ensure that no references of Riot client are running in here, and if you can see the Riot client inside of here, you just simply need to do is right click on it and click on end task. Make sure there shouldn't be any process running, and once you have shut down all these processes, you can then head out of the task manager, and we are going to come over to our desktop and look at the Riot client app, and just need to do is right click on it and click on the properties and click on the compatibility, and make sure to click on these two features, disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator, and click on apply and then click on OK. Now try launching the Riot client to see if that is fixed the issue. Now if firewall that hasn't fixed it, the next thing you need to do is come over to the start menu, and we are going to search our Windows Defender firewall. Click on this and then click on allow an app or features, and then after that press this change settings and then scroll down and to see the Riot is present or not. So it's not present in here, so just allow another app. Click on this and then click on browse, and here you can paste the path of the Riot client and hit on enter. I'm just doing this and that. Click on it and then click on add, and then after that make sure to turn both on, private and public, and then okay. After that head over to the start menu, command prompt, type cmd and click on run as administrator, and here type ipconfig/ts, hit enter, and then netsh space winsock space reset and then hit enter, and this is what you can do. So this is it guys. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos.